Toyota RAV4 owners, brace yourselves, because what's coming next might change how you see your vehicle forever. For years, the RAV4 has been one of the most trusted, best-selling SUVs in America, the symbol of reliability, efficiency, and resale strength. But now, something shocking is unfolding behind the scenes. Something Toyota doesn't want you to find out about until it's too late. Reports are pouring in from frustrated owners across the US. Stories of strange electrical failures, transmission issues, hybrid system breakdowns, and skyrocketing repair bills. These aren't isolated incidents anymore. From California to Texas and all the way to New York, owners are discovering that their supposedly bulletproof RAV4 might be hiding a costly problem beneath that shiny Toyota badge. And it gets worse. According to multiple technical service bulletins quietly issued by Toyota, several RAV4 models from recent years, especially the hybrids, are showing critical issues related to their high-voltage batteries, fuel systems, and even their braking modules. Mechanics are calling it a ticking time bomb, one that could turn a once reliable SUV into a financial nightmare overnight. Think about this. The RAV4 is often marketed as the ultimate stress-free daily driver. But now, owners are being left stranded on highways, unable to shift gears, or facing dashboard error lights that Toyota dealerships can't even fully explain. Some are waiting weeks for parts that are back-ordered globally. Others are being told their warranties won't cover full repairs because of wear and tear or environmental conditions. It's a convenient excuse, but an expensive one for loyal Toyota customers. And then comes the most alarming part, the sudden depreciation. Used RAV4 values, once among the highest in their class, are beginning to slide. Dealerships are quietly lowering trade-in offers. Why? Because even insiders know what's happening. They're aware that these new issues could hit resale markets hard in 2025, and nobody wants to get stuck holding a problem car when the news becomes widespread. But what's causing all this? Some industry experts are pointing fingers at Toyota's aggressive shift toward hybrid and EV tech. The RAV4 Hybrid and Prime are packed with complex systems, battery management modules, regenerative braking units, and power electronics, all designed to push performance and efficiency. Yet, with every new advancement, complexity increases, and one small failure can cascade into thousands of dollars in damage. Owners are reporting that service centers are overwhelmed, diagnostics are taking days, and in many cases, Toyota isn't offering loaner cars. Imagine paying over $35,000 for a brand new RAV4, only to have it sit in a shop for weeks, with no clear repair date in sight. Some frustrated owners are even filing complaints with the NHTSA, demanding investigations into the hybrid powertrain and fuel systems that seem to be malfunctioning at alarming rates. And here's where things turn truly disturbing. Many of these problems appear after warranty coverage ends. A fuel pump failure or hybrid system fault could hit at 65,000 miles, just past Toyota's coverage limit. And since parts for newer RAV4 models are in short supply, out-of-pocket costs can range anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000. Some drivers are calling it the Toyota trap: reliability until the warranty expires, then a wall of unexpected expenses. But there's one detail that stands out above the rest, something that may expose how deep this issue runs. Because a new wave of owner complaints has revealed an unsettling pattern. Certain RAV4 VIN ranges appear to be more prone to failures, suggesting a possible defect at the manufacturing level. If this turns out to be true, it could trigger one of Toyota's biggest recalls in recent history. But so far, the automaker has remained tight-lipped, offering limited statements and reassuring customers that Toyota vehicles continue to meet the highest standards of quality and safety. The problem is, owners aren't buying it anymore. They're documenting their breakdowns, uploading videos of dead RAV4s, and calling out Toyota directly. Social media is now flooded with stories of unfixable RAV4s and repair nightmares that contradict everything the company has promised for decades. For a brand built on trust, this kind of public backlash could be devastating. And what's even more alarming, this might just be the beginning, because behind closed doors, analysts say Toyota is facing a deeper issue that could ripple across its entire SUV lineup, from the RAV4 to the Highlander and even the upcoming hybrid Tacoma. The same suppliers, the same battery modules, the same wiring harnesses, all interconnected. One design flaw could mean a domino effect across millions of vehicles. If this plays out the way experts fear, we may be looking at one of the biggest reliability scandals Toyota has faced in the modern era. And it could redefine what consumers think of when they hear the word Toyota quality. And here's where things start to take an even darker turn. Because as more owners step forward, a pattern of silence and denial seems to be forming around Toyota's response. Many customers say that when they approached dealerships for help, their complaints were either dismissed or downplayed. Service advisors allegedly told them that the issues were normal wear or software glitches. Yet those same vehicles would later suffer complete system failures. Some owners have even shared invoices showing multiple $1,000 diagnostic fees just to be told that the dealership couldn't replicate the problem. But the truth is beginning to leak, not through Toyota's statements, but through leaked internal memos and industry insiders. Sources familiar with Toyota's North American operations claim that engineers have been tracking these RAV4 issues for months, particularly in hybrid and plug-in models. The problem, they say, stems from a mix of outdated software integration and cost-cutting in newer model years. That's right. In an effort to keep production costs low amid inflation and supply chain chaos, Toyota may have cut corners that are now haunting RAV4 owners everywhere. Imagine this: a company known for engineering perfection now being accused of rushing updates and reusing faulty parts between model years. That's not just a mistake. That's a betrayal of consumer trust. And it's not just about reliability anymore. In some cases, these malfunctions pose real safety risks. Drivers have reported their RAV4s stalling at high speeds, hybrid systems shutting down mid-drive, and even sudden loss of braking power. These aren't minor inconveniences. They're life-threatening failures happening in vehicles that were supposed to be among the safest on the road. Meanwhile, Toyota's competitors are watching closely. Brands like Honda, Hyundai, and Mazda are already adjusting their marketing strategies, subtly hinting that Toyota's reputation for reliability is not what it used to be. And it's working. Recent market data shows that RAV4 sales have begun to slow down for the first time in nearly a decade. Dealership lots that once couldn't keep them in stock now have rows of unsold units and incentives, something Toyota almost never offered on RAV4s, are quietly creeping back in. And then there's the insurance side of this. Several insurance companies have reportedly started re-evaluating coverage costs for newer hybrid SUVs, including the RAV4 Hybrid and Prime, because of the high repair costs tied to their electrical systems. When a simple fender bender can lead to a $10,000 repair bill due to damaged hybrid components, insurers see a growing liability. That means higher premiums for owners, and even more reason for resale values to plummet. What makes this all the more shocking is that Toyota hasn't publicly acknowledged the full extent of these problems. Instead, they're doubling down on their next-generation RAV4 plans, promising new hybrid technology, enhanced safety systems, and a refreshed design. But behind that corporate optimism lies a simple question. If they haven't solved the problems plaguing current RAV4 owners, how can anyone trust what's coming next? Because the cracks are already showing. Recent production data reveals Toyota has quietly shifted some RAV4 assembly away from specific factories in Japan and Canada, locations that were previously tied to a wave of defective component reports. Industry insiders believe this move is an attempt to isolate and contain the problem before it spirals into a full-blown public scandal. But if that's true, it means Toyota knows more than they're letting on. And here's something else to think about. The upcoming EV transition could make things even worse. As Toyota prepares to electrify its lineup, the complexity of these systems will skyrocket, meaning more sensors, more software, and more room for failure. If Toyota can't get the RAV4 hybrid right, how will they handle full EVs under even more demanding conditions? Experts are warning that this could mark the beginning of Toyota's most vulnerable era in decades. An era where the company that built its legacy on dependability now faces the risk of losing that trust altogether. And if consumer confidence continues to drop, it won't just be the RAV4 at stake. It could shake Toyota's entire foundation. But the story doesn't end there. Because what's surfacing next could expose exactly how deep this issue goes, and whether Toyota's leadership has been hiding critical information from both regulators and the public. According to insiders close to Toyota's North American Quality Control Division, there's growing internal tension between engineers and corporate executives. Some engineers reportedly wanted to issue a full recall months ago, not just for one component, but for the entire hybrid system in affected RAV4 models. They warned that ignoring these early warning signs could lead to mass consumer backlash and legal exposure. But higher-ups, worried about financial losses and brand reputation, allegedly pushed back. Instead, Toyota opted for quiet technical service bulletins, hidden notices sent only to dealerships, rather than an official public recall. That move might have saved the company billions in the short term. But it's quickly backfiring. Because now, class action lawsuits are starting to take shape. Law firms in multiple states have begun investigating owner complaints, gathering data, and preparing potential filings against Toyota for alleged concealment of known defects. Some owners are already banding together online, creating forums and Facebook groups to document failures, repairs, and even leaked dealership memos that hint at systemic cover-ups. And it's not just lawyers taking notice. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the NHTSA, is reportedly reviewing hundreds of safety complaints tied to recent RAV4 models. If they open a formal investigation, it could lead to one of the largest recalls in Toyota's modern history. That's not speculation. That's a real possibility being discussed among regulators right now. But perhaps the most shocking revelation comes from the dealership network itself. Several Toyota technicians, speaking anonymously, claim they've been instructed not to disclose internal diagnostic codes to customers. These codes, stored in the hybrid control units, could reveal early signs of system failure. In other words, Toyota may already know when a RAV4's hybrid or electrical system is close to failing. But rather than fixing it under warranty, they're allegedly waiting until the issue fully manifests, often just after the warranty expires. It's a strategy that, if proven true, would devastate Toyota's credibility. The automaker has long marketed itself as transparent and customer-focused. But withholding diagnostic data? That's something you'd expect from a failing startup, not a global automotive powerhouse that prides itself on trust. And while Toyota faces this mounting crisis, the ripple effects are spreading. Used car dealers are quietly adjusting prices, parts suppliers are scrambling to keep up with demand for hybrid components, and auto analysts are warning investors that Toyota's stock could take a hit if this story gains national attention. Because make no mistake, once the mainstream media picks it up, there's no turning back. The RAV4 isn't just another SUV, it's Toyota's golden child, the backbone of its global success. If consumer faith in the RAV4 collapses, it could set off a chain reaction across every corner of Toyota's empire, from financing to fleet sales to future EV adoption. And for the first time in decades, Toyota may find itself on the defensive, trying to convince the world that its most popular vehicle isn't built on broken promises. But what if this problem runs even deeper than the RAV4 itself? What if Toyota's next generation of vehicles, the ones already being assembled right now, are using the same flawed components that caused this crisis in the first place? Some reports suggest that the hybrid control systems in upcoming models are nearly identical to those in the current RAV4 lineup. That means Toyota could be walking straight into a second wave of failures before the first one is even resolved. And if that's true, it's not just bad news for current RAV4 owners. It's a warning for future Toyota buyers everywhere. Because the company that once set the standard for reliability may now be building cars that are designed to fail faster, cost more to repair, and keep customers trapped in endless service cycles. But here's the question everyone's asking. Will Toyota come clean before it's too late? Or will they double down, deny, deflect, and hope that customers stay silent long enough for this storm to pass? Behind closed doors, Toyota executives are reportedly scrambling to contain the fallout. Emergency meetings have been held in both Japan and the US, with one primary goal: damage control. Internal documents suggest that the company is considering several response strategies, one of which involves offering limited goodwill repairs for affected RAV4 owners. But there's a catch. These repairs would only be available to customers who experience specific, documented failures. And even then, the company reserves the right to deny coverage if they claim it's outside of normal operating conditions. That means thousands of owners could be left paying for Toyota's mistakes. And the pressure isn't just coming from consumers. Suppliers, the companies that manufacture Toyota's hybrid batteries, fuel pumps, and electronic modules, are starting to demand clarity. Some of them say Toyota's engineers are asking for design changes, without fully admitting why. It's a subtle but telling sign that the automaker is trying to quietly fix the issue without triggering a public admission of fault. Meanwhile, the evidence continues to grow. Independent mechanics are reporting a surge of RAV4s showing up with the same electrical and hybrid system codes. One mechanic from Arizona described seeing 3 RAV4 hybrids in the same week with identical powertrain failure warnings, all under 80,000 miles. Another in Florida said that customers are being told by dealerships that these are one-off issues, even though service bays are full of identical cases. The truth can only stay hidden for so long. And here's what's even more shocking. Leaked warranty data suggests Toyota's internal claims for RAV4 hybrid systems have skyrocketed by over 40% since 2023. That's a massive red flag. Typically, when a company sees that kind of spike, it means there's a design flaw affecting a core system. Yet Toyota has not issued any major recall, nor have they alerted owners to check for early signs of failure. Some automotive analysts now believe Toyota may be trying to phase out the problem through quiet model refreshes, updating parts without announcing the real reason. It's a tactic some automakers have used before, but with Toyota's reputation on the line, this time it could backfire badly. Because once owners realize newer RAV4s are using updated components to fix what theirs didn't, it becomes undeniable proof that Toyota knew something was wrong all along. And as the pressure mounts, cracks are beginning to show inside Toyota's leadership structure. Reports from Japan's automotive press suggest that several senior engineers have already stepped down or been reassigned, particularly those involved in the hybrid system's development. Some sources even hint at a power struggle inside the company, between the old guard who built Toyota's legacy on bulletproof reliability, and the new generation pushing cost-cutting, rapid innovation, and electric expansion at all costs. This internal conflict could define Toyota's future. If the company chooses denial over transparency, they risk shattering decades of hard-earned consumer trust. But if they admit fault, it could trigger billions in recalls, lawsuits, and lost sales. Either way, the stakes have never been higher. And for RAV4 owners, the ones caught in the middle of this storm, the frustration is boiling over. Online forums are filled with desperate posts from drivers whose vehicles are dead in driveways, waiting for parts. Some owners are even trading in their RAV4s out of fear that the next breakdown could happen on the road. What was once Toyota's crown jewel of reliability is now becoming a symbol of corporate silence and broken promises. But this story is still evolving, and what's coming next could blow the lid off everything. Because new evidence is emerging that suggests Toyota may have ignored early internal test data pointing directly to the failures we're seeing now. Data that, if confirmed, could prove that this wasn't just a mistake. It was a cover-up. And that's where things stand right now. A storm of uncertainty swirling around Toyota's most beloved SUV. What began as scattered owner complaints has grown into something much larger, a reckoning for one of the most trusted automakers in the world. The question now isn't if Toyota will respond, but when, and whether they'll finally come clean before the truth catches up with them. Because one thing is certain, RAV4 owners deserve answers. They deserve transparency, accountability, and above all, the reliability Toyota promised. The silence can't last forever, and when it finally breaks, the entire auto industry will be watching. So, what do you think? Has Toyota been hiding a major defect from its loyal customers? Or is this all just a massive coincidence? Let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks for watching, and if you want to stay ahead of breaking automotive stories like this, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned. Because what's coming next could change everything we thought we knew about Toyota. This is just the beginning.